God has something to share with you today. The things that seem tough right now are just steps in His big plan for you. Trust that everything is coming together, even when it's hard to see. The troubles you're dealing with won't last forever. They're leading you to grow and find happiness. God's plan is working out just right, taking you to a happier and more peaceful place. Be patient and keep believing, because a big change is on its way, and soon everything will work out exactly as it should. Your big moment is coming soon. Today, God is bringing a special person into your life. You're about to meet a police officer on a date. You might not know it yet, but this meeting is meant to be something special. You'll start with just talking, but you'll quickly feel a strong connection that surprises both of you. It will feel like more than just meeting someone new. It's like this moment was planned just for you. This person is picked by God to be part of your life and bring a big change. As you get to know each other better, you'll see that this isn't just about having the same interests or enjoying the same things. You'll realize that you both see the world, love, and even tough times in ways that fit together perfectly, making you feel comfortable and secure. This police officer might look strong and protective, but they also have a caring and gentle side. They have a tough job, but their heart is warm. You'll be drawn to their strength, but you'll also love their kindness, which makes you feel safe and important. Every chat you have, every smile you share will make you open up more and build a strong trust and respect for each other. After this first date, your connection will only get stronger. What starts as a simple chat will grow into something beautiful and lasting. As you spend more time with this person, you'll discover that they understand you in ways that others simply haven't been able to. They will see the real you, and you'll see the true them in return. There will be no need for pretenses or hiding behind facades. Being completely yourselves around each other will feel just right. Your relationship will blossom into something extraordinarily beautiful, unconditional love. This type of love goes beyond superficial appearances and truly connects with the essence of who you are inside. It deeply values your emotions and respects your thoughts, creating a safe space for both of you to truly be yourselves. This police officer will become much more than just a casual acquaintance. They will be a true partner in every sense of the word. God has brought them into your life for a very special reason, to stand by your side during both the joyful days and the challenging times. What starts as a simple date will soon transform into a profound relationship founded on mutual trust, deep respect, and abundant care for each other. Together, you will navigate the ups and downs of life, supporting each other through various challenges and celebrating victories, big and small. This relationship won't be centered around materialistic desires or fleeting attractions. Instead, it will be a deep, enduring bond that enriches your lives in meaningful ways, providing both comfort and joy. As you continue to grow together, you'll find that your love is not defined by the highs alone, but also by how you support each other during the lows. Whether it's a stressful day at work or personal struggles, you will have someone who listens, understands, and stands unwaveringly by your side. This connection will become a cornerstone in your lives, a source of strength and encouragement. You'll also discover joy in the simple moments, quiet evenings at home, walks in the park, or shared meals. These everyday interactions will weave into the fabric of your relationship, creating a tapestry of shared experiences and memories that will only make your bond stronger. Moreover, your relationship will serve as a mirror, reflecting the best parts of yourselves back to each other. You will inspire each other to be better individuals, not just for each other, but for yourselves and for the world. This mutual growth and development is a hallmark of a truly meaningful and lasting relationship. As you both embrace this journey, you'll realize that this isn't just about romance, it's about partnership in the fullest sense. You'll plan for the future together, facing life's uncertainties with a shared resilience and optimism. Whether it's discussing career moves, personal goals, or family matters, you'll find that you're aligned in ways that matter most. Your love will also be a testament to faith, a daily reminder that God's plans are not only mysterious but also profoundly beautiful. The knowledge that you are brought together for a divine purpose will fill you with gratitude and awe, reinforcing your faith in each other and in the path you are walking together. This isn't just a coincidence, it's divine timing. Your paths didn't just cross by chance, they were meant to converge at this moment in your lives. Embrace this incredible opportunity to build a relationship that is founded on understanding, enriched by love, and guided by a shared belief in something greater than yourselves. Remember, this is the beginning of something extraordinary. A relationship like this is rare, and it's something to cherish and nurture. As you move forward, take each step with love and confidence, knowing that you are exactly where you are meant to be, with exactly who you were meant to be with. Type Amen to affirm your readiness to embrace this divine journey, to welcome the blessings it will bring, and to acknowledge the beautiful unfolding of your shared destiny. This is your moment to affirm your faith, to accept the gift of love, and to step into the future with hope and joy. This relationship is going to be something really special. It's about creating a strong, deep connection that goes way beyond just what you want right now. It's about truly understanding and really connecting with each other on a deep level. You'll feel incredibly fortunate, realizing that this person has come into your life for a very special reason. Before long, this relationship is going to bring so much happiness into your life. You'll love spending time together. You'll feel comforted by knowing how much you are loved, and you'll find joy in the little, happy moments you share together. God has brought your paths together for a reason, and now it's time to enjoy this wonderful gift. With this police officer, you're going to discover a type of love that is rare and truly beautiful. This isn't just about liking the same things or having fun together, it's about finding someone who compliments you, someone who understands your needs and dreams, almost as if they can read your mind. This kind of connection is powerful because it's built on genuine care and understanding, not just on surface-level attractions or fleeting feelings. As you both continue to learn more about each other, you'll find that your relationship grows stronger with each passing day. You'll be able to share your thoughts and feelings openly, knowing that they are there to listen and support you, just as you are there for them. This mutual support is what makes a relationship truly enriching. It's knowing that no matter what happens, you have someone by your side who truly cares about you and your well-being. Moreover, this relationship will encourage you both to grow as individuals. You'll inspire each other to pursue your passions and tackle challenges with confidence, knowing that you have each other's backs. This kind of supportive partnership can help you both achieve things you might not have thought possible before. You'll also find peace in this relationship. In a world that can often be hectic and stressful, having a partner who provides a sense of calm and stability can be incredibly valuable. You'll appreciate the moments of quiet companionship just as much as the times filled with laughter and activity. Each moment you spend together builds a stronger foundation for your future. This love will also teach you both about forgiveness and patience. No relationship is perfect, and there will be times when you need to navigate difficulties. However, the strength of your bond will show through how you handle these challenges together. Learning to forgive and be patient with each other, even in tough times, is crucial in a lasting relationship. As time goes on, you'll not only see this relationship as a source of love and joy, but also as a journey that you are both committed to. You'll make plans together, dreaming about the future and working to make those dreams a reality. Whether it's planning your next vacation, thinking about career moves, or discussing family matters, you'll find that you're stronger as a team. This relationship, grounded in a deep and enduring love, will continue to be a source of strength, joy, and inspiration in your lives. Remember, what you have is precious and worth cherishing every day. Embrace this gift from God, nurture your connection, and look forward to the beautiful path that lies ahead, filled with love, understanding, and shared adventures. It's a path that promises to be as enriching as it is enduring. It will get stronger with time and won't break easily. This love is something special, planned by God to bring joy, peace, and happiness into your life. It's not just chance it's meant to be. Your meeting is part of a bigger plan, and the bond you will build is based on love, understanding, and true partnership. Take this moment to heart, because God is telling you that something beautiful is just beginning. Say amen to accept your blessings. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.